here. They went for pee. I don't know where they went.
They went for?
Somewhere Paikhana Khen. We just had a talk how to stay united. That's all.
So when you will claim to form government?
We haven't talked about claiming the government yet.
You're not going to go to claim government?
No. Otherwise, we would have gone now itself. You would have seen. So since we are not going, we haven't claimed the government yet.
Is it true two HSPDP MLAs they have not come here?
They have come here. They went for pee. I don't know where they went.
They went for?
Somewhere Paikhana Khen.
Those who are useless, like old and fat people, should be also dismissed from the job. You know, in Assam, I've seen the order given by the chief minister. Any fat people in the police department will be disqualified or maybe, terminated or maybe suspended. So here also we should do. If he is old age and useless, then they should be, given an early retirement. So likewise, then it can give some justifications for all those new, like from 18 to 21 years, since being a tribal, our people used to get into the class even at the late age also. So their graduation period might be late. So that means we are giving some kind of an injustice.